He said he contemplated some changes on it, but then he looked at his personnel and he said, this is such a good power play. When it's on, it's lethal. I'm not going to start changing it around just because it's struggled and given up some shorthanded goals. Letang off the draw, waits for the setup, passes to Sid, the one-timer, scores! It's back. Sidney Crosby, in a building where he always seems to score, gives the Penguins a 1-0 lead with a power play goal.
Well, the face-off is critical too, and on that side it's one that you're just trying to win and not allow them to keep control. If you've got a tired group, Crosby gets a second and third chance at that puck. It was in the feet of the linesman, and then there's just a little bit of a late reaction. You could see the wide open. Tavares went to the top and followed Letang, and Muzzin was just a little late getting through there, and that's just a perfect shot up and over the glove. A one-timer that he made sure he got up over the block of Muzzin and over the glove of Garret Sparks.
23 for Sid, the 13th he's scored in this building in 21 games.